morning this Friday, the 30th of July. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. There were mostly gains across the board yesterday. The market rose 0.5% as three of Australia's largest iron ore producers hit record prices. Rio Tinto rose 1.5% following its recent half-year results. BHP shares also gained 1.6%, and Fortescue Metals FMG rose 1.9% after releasing its fourth quarter financial year production. So it was a record day for miners. Overnight, US equities rose off the back of strong corporate earnings. All three major indices closed with gains. The Dow Jones rose 153 points and the S&P 500 rose 0.4%. The Nasdaq underperformed, gaining just 0.1% amid PayPal and Facebook shares falling 6.2% and 4% respectively. Robinhood debuted on the Nasdaq starting trade at $38 and closed its debut session at $34.82. That is 8.4% below the IPO price. As for what to watch today locally, following US equities, the Aussie share market is set to open higher. Currently, the futures are suggesting a slight 0.1% lift. Today, the market is looking to hit its 10th straight month of gains if a 1.4% fall can be avoided. In economic news, the producer price index for the second quarter will be released, and the private sector credit for June will also be released at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. In local COVID-19 news, yesterday New South Wales recorded its worst day with 239 new cases. Further restrictions have been introduced for New South Wales local government areas of concern, including mandatory masks outside of the house and staying within a 5-kilometre radius. Now, Janus Henderson JHG's share price may rise higher today after the company released positive second quarter results yesterday after the market close. JHG reported a 95% increase in operating income, and overnight its share price rose 6% in the US. In company news, Origin Energy (ORG) will report second quarter sales today, and Mineral Resources (MIN) will release their quarterly report. Moving to commodities, the oil price has jumped again, trading 1.4% higher at $73 a barrel. Gold is also trading 1.1% higher, while iron ore is trading lower at $213 per ton. Keep watch of gold miners such as Newcrest Mining, NCM, and oil stocks including Santos, STO, and Woodside Petroleum, WPL. And CSL was one of the most traded stocks by Bell Direct and our advised clients yesterday. There has been broad buying across healthcare shares on the ASX 200 recently. Yesterday, CSL closed 0.5% higher. Now for some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter maintained their buy recommendation on Matter Group MAD after they released a strong fourth quarter update with a 12.4% Australian revenue increase and accelerating growth. The company are capitalizing on Australia's strong operating conditions and have growth plans in the US. MAD closed yesterday at 97 cents, implying 40.6% share price growth in a year. Eagers Automotive APE is a Bell Potter buy stock, and Bell Potter have increased their price target to $18.75, previously at $17.50, with market movers and time creep in mind. The stock closed 2.7% higher yesterday, implying just over 14% share price growth in a year. And Bell Potter also maintained their buy recommendation on Gold Road Resources GOR after the company released their June quarter results. They are one of the largest gold miners in Australia with strong earnings growth. Bell Potter's price target for GOR is $1.75. They closed yesterday at $1.30, implying just over 34% share price growth in the year. And lastly, bullish charting signals have been identified in Perseus Mining, PRU, D Gray Mining, DEG, and INE, INR, and that's according to Trading Central. Thanks everyone for listening. Have a great Friday, stay safe, and happy trading.